All right, this is Liberty stock number 50659. It's a Neff model D4-5M hydraulic press, serial number 11616.
Yeah, well, we've got front, back, and the control panel. Obviously, front's up here, and got a piece of steel that we're going to hit whenever I fire it up. One control up here, which is top stop. We'll play with that. Pressure gauge, per the chart. 3,000 gets you up to all of 4.7. Dual palms down low. We got a guard. There's another guard for the other side. I left it off just so we can play. Leveling pads down low, book on the shelf here, and that's everything on this side. And you come around the back, you get a pretty good peek up the hydraulic system. It all runs nice. It's clean, runs good. One Parker valve, one motor. Hydraulic tank, oil. Switchgear panel with my temp line coming in. PLC based. Allen Bradley. 220 volts temped into our disconnect here. I left a plug in there too. They did have a plug on there. We'll ship that with the machine. So that's all on right now. And we're on the run condition right now on the PLC. So we can fire it up. We can play. Come around the front. Yep. You want to get any of that? I don't know.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's what I thought so. So that's in inch mode. We got motor start, motor stop, return, and of course e-stop. It all works fine. Let me show the buttons there. And we'll start off an inch, run it up and down a couple times. First is the motor, obviously, and looks good, sounds good. And in inch mode, I can bring it down. I want to leave this here. I don't want to bottom out the cylinder. That's just not good to do. That's me. And same thing going back. I think return that way. Let's see if I can hit it, man. That's hitting, and that should show the gauge. I don't know where I'm set at. Let's see. 1,000, 1,000. We can dial that up just to show what the pressure can do. Max is 3,000. I'll take it up to about 2, which equates to about 4 tons. That was about 14. No, not quite. 15. We go a little bit more. That's 2,000. I'll go a little bit over 2,000. I'm not going to bury it. There's 2,200. We can hold it there. We'll back off a little bit just for the sake of cycling. That come down around 15, 16. So that's inching, of course. If we're in operating mode, what do you call auto cycle? You hit it once, it goes all the way back up, as it would if you took your hands off the dual palm buttons. So top stop is here. We'll do one cycle at our fixed tonnage, whatever it is, 17, 18. You gotta hold them until you hit something. It is tonnage reversal, obviously, not distance reversal. If you go real close, hit it a couple times, but if you're real good, you'll see that needle just hit right around 18. That's where it reverses. You see it jump up there? That's about it. And like I said, there's not much else to play with. Motor stop, motor start, inching. Like I said, that all works pretty good. Return. Oh, top stop we can play with. If I bring this down and slide this guy down, we get a lower top stop. Return. Now we're right there. And we can run auto cycle, I think, right there. See? Let me move that over a little bit. There we go. Or all the way up. Get up to 6.5. Do that one more time. Oh, it took off on its own. As soon as I hit the switches, it went. And then one more. That's all the way up the top. Back in the manual, motor stop. And just to show you, V-stop should work. There we go. Rock and roll.